What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. Trying to stay consistent out here, but yes, we have another video today. Just a quick little POV drive. Well, not quick, but got a 30-minute drive back home, so I figured like, hey, why not pull out the can? But I hope everyone's having a great summer. I feel like this summer is not like the rest. Like other summers were a bit crazier. I feel like this summer is not crazy. Am I the only one? Like, I feel like people aren't really going outside that much. People are still having fun, but I feel like not that many people are like really going outside, enjoying themselves because it's so hot. And I feel like every year the summers keep getting hotter and hotter and hotter. It's crazy. So I don't know. But yeah, man, I hope everyone's having a great day, a great summer. Out here it's just different, man. It really is different. Like when I was living in New York, summers were much crazier. Down here it's like everyone either goes to the beach really early or they go really late because the sun in the summertime is ridiculous, and it's also really, really humid. It is so humid out, man. So humid. So yeah, here we are. I always love the houses back here. This is on South Ocean Boulevard, so pretty much, or a lot of wealthy people live down here, as you guys can see. I'm gonna keep the camera pointed at some of these houses. But yeah, it's definitely wealthy. Well, definitely a lot more wealthy than most areas. And for some reason, there's always cops hidden. Like, cop on that side, cop right here. These houses are crazy. Fire rescue. Some of these are even crazier. I know it's hard to see, but you guys can see some of the buildings right there. And I heard they plan on building more. So Florida is literally like, everyone's coming to Florida right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not like most people who are just haters. Like, I don't hate Florida. I don't think Florida's bad at all. I do think eventually it's gonna start getting too crowded at some point, but right now it's fine. But yeah, I mean, it's nice. You know, it's not traffic like most cities are. It's got really nice buildings, you know. The people are also more friendly here. Like, it's just a different vibe. Like when you compare Florida's vibe to all the other states, it has that like southern hospitality, you know. So definitely really, really nice. Damn, I hope my battery does not die right now. Here I am thinking I'm about to have a long video and this might be a short one, but I'm gonna just keep driving until it dies. Yeah, man, look at that. And you guys ever notice all these rich people have like 20 or so different people coming to their house? Like, one's doing the lawn, one's doing the lighting, one's doing, like, it's just they just got nothing but different people and different contractors. People got their boats parked. It's just a different type of lifestyle, man. The one thing I do like about Florida though, Florida makes it really easy to know if you're in a good area or a bad area. If you're in a bad area, you will definitely know by how the houses look, by how the streets look. Like, it's just gonna all be there. Yeah, that's beautiful. And if you're in a rich area, you'll definitely know. You see, right? Perfect palm trees, Beautifully cut grass. Look at that. The houses look insane. Big car garage. Like, everything you need, pretty much. So. I always see CH now when I come out here. I don't know how. Every time I come on this strip right here, I always see at least 1 or 2 CHs. Sheesh, the battery's not playing with me, man. Alright guys, before this battery dies on me, I just want to say, please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully I'll have more battery next time, but yes, there will be some longer POVs coming for you guys very, very soon. So stay tuned.